Tractor maintenance. Servicing and maintenance of the tractor ensures its efficient working and good condition. The service given to the tractor depends on the working hours or the part to be serviced. There are two kinds of tractor service, namely short-term service and long-term service. Always check on the tractor's manual for instructions on how to carry out short and long-term service on the tractor. The short-term service. Short-term service depends on the part to be serviced and number of working hours the tractor or the part has been in operation. Common short-term service operations include check the fuel level at the start of the day and top up if necessary. Check and top up oil level if necessary. Tighten loose nuts and bolts and replace any lost nuts and bolts. Apply grease to all greasing points. Check and adjust tire pressure if necessary. Long-term service. Long-term service is done after a long period, normally after a specific period of time, hours or kilometers. They include drain the engine oil and replace with new oil. Drain the gearbox and steering box oil and replace the new oil. Replace the differential oil as recommended. Grease the linkage and pulley attachment as required. Farm implements. Tractor attachment methods. Farm implements are equipments and machinery that are used to do work in the farm. They can be used with tractors or with animals as the source of power. All implements are attached to power sources in various ways. You will learn about the common farm implements, how they are attached, and their maintenance practices. There are three methods of attaching implements to a tractor. These are one-point hitch attachment. In this method, implements are attached to the drawbar at the rear of the tractor. They include implements such as trailers, harrows, planters, and rollers. Three-point hitch attachment. It is attachment where the implement is attached to the tractor at 3 points, namely the top linkage, lower left and right arms. The implements may be operated by the hydraulic system and include plows, harrows, planters, and mowers. The power takeoff PTO. The implement is attached to the PTO point at the rear of the tractor, which include sprayers, mowers, and rotary cultivators. Tractor drone implements. Tractor drone implements can be classified into the following broad categories on the basis of when they are used in the farm. Primary cultivation or tillage implements. Examples include disc plows, moldboard plows, and subsoilers. Secondary cultivation or tillage implements. Examples include harrows like disc, spring tine, spike-toothed, and rotary cultivators. Planting and tertiary operation implements. Examples include seeders and planters, rollers. Weed control implements such as weeders or cultivators, boom sprayers. Transport implements that include trailers. Land clearing implements. Examples include mowers. Harvesting and processing implements. Examples include grain harvesters, root crop harvesters, and forage harvesters. Let us now learn about some of these implements.